like cleaning your toilets was their main work in the society. So people begin to think about them that they are the very low caste people. So their generations also took up same occupation, and many reformers like B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi tried hard to improve their status and condition. Initially they were called Dalits. Scheduled caste people were called Dalits, which mean suppressed. जिनको दबाया गया हो उनको दलित कहा जाता था, crushed or broken to pieces, and today they are referred as scheduled caste. So what steps are taken to improve their condition? Through constitution, various steps are taken to improve the condition of scheduled caste, and untouchability has been abolished and made a punishable offence. Ab no one can treat the scheduled caste people as untouchables. Untouchables mean छुआ-छूत करना, उनको अपने घर में ना आने देना, मेन कोई रिलीजियस प्लेस में ना जाने देना, या पब्लिक कोई भी ऐसा जैसे विलेज वैली होगी, ऐसी जगहों पे अगर कोई उनको रोकता है तो ये एक पनिशेबल ऑफेंस होगा अंडर आर्टिकल 17. So please remember article 17. According to this, untouchability has been abolished and made it a punishable offence. अगर कोई किसी के साथ ऐसे मिसबिहेव करता है तो इस आर्टिकल के थ्रू उसको जेल हो सकती है. अगर कोई किसी को मिसबिहेव करता है, अनटचेबल बोलता भी है काम कराने के अलावा. The government ensures that these castes are allowed access to all public places like temples, gurdwaras, museums, libraries, shops, wells and restaurants. To ensure their participation in law making, some seats have been reserved in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Separate welfare policies are introduced for their upliftment by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. These are steps taken by the government. Second is the scheduled tribes. India has many tribal groups like we have read already, Santhals and Kodis and 2-3 Madhya Pradesh, Gonds. There are different tribal people who are not mixed in the mainstream life. Now they are provided jobs. There is a reservation for these people so that they can come in our various jobs and can live a normal life like us. There are many other tribal communities like Apanti, Mizo, Warli, Khasi, Naga and Vishnuis. All these are given reservation in education and in jobs by the government. In modern times, Christianity has emerged as a major religion following the conversion of many tribes to Christianity during the colonial period. Though some of these communities have been brought to touch with the outside world, most tribals have not undergone any major change. All these factors have together turned Adivasis into migrant laborers and construction sites, mines and domestic servants or industries because of the policies of Britishers. Steps taken to improve their condition. What was done to improve their condition? Several provisions are made in our constitution to safeguard the interest of the scheduled tribes and their rights, to prevent unlawful act against them. The Prevention of Atrocity Act, which was introduced in 1989, just like scheduled caste, scheduled tribes have been given reservation in education and government institutions, Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Other backward classes have been defined in our constitution as socially and educationally backward classes. Article 340. Remember, Article 340 states that the government shall undertake measures to promote the interest of other backward classes. So to improve their condition, 27% reservation has been done for OBCs in government jobs. Various coaching institutes have been set up for them so that they can compete in the exams. They are also given pre-matric and post-matric scholarships, and the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment looks after their welfare and interest by promoting education among them. Minorities, अगर first one the scheduled caste, then scheduled tribes, then backward classes, then minorities. Minorities comes under mentions linguistic and religious. Language की बेसिस पे अगर आप थोड़े हैं गिनती में, अगर रिलीजन की बेसिस में थोड़े हो किसी जगह पे, तो आप माइनॉरिटी में आते हो. Minorities थी 18.4% ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन, एंड 2001 की सेंसस वाइज ये थी 18.41 पीपल वर द इन माइनॉरिटीज़. ये लोग सोशली, इकोनॉमिकली एंड एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड पीपल हैं, और इसमें मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, सिख, बुद्धिस्ट, पारसीज को इंक्लूड किया गया है. आर्टिकल 29 of Constitution states that all citizens have right to conserve their language. Underline this. Article 29 of Constitution states that all citizens have right to conserve their language, culture and script. Also, no citizen is denied admission in government or government aided educational institutions. And Article 350 states that education shall be imparted in the mother tongue at the primary level, and special provisions are made for the linguistic minorities. So if there is a language which is not widely read, that language is given the preference in the higher educations also. Reservation policy. To safeguard these scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and backward class and minorities, the Constitution has reservation for them. Reservation of jobs in government service, reservation in education institutions, reservation in legislative organs. So these reservations are given to them to make them equal to the other people. Some sections of society have opposed these moves and protested against them. However, the fact remains a large number of minority groups continue to lead a life of suffering, misery and discrimination. So, unless their status is improved and they were given equal opportunities, our development as a country is not possible. सोशल इनइक्वालिटी फेस बाय अदर ग्रुप्स. इसके अलावा और कौन से ग्रुप हैं जिनके साथ सोशल इनइक्वालिटी होती है? इधर दे आर चिल्ड्रन और विमेन. जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होती है बच्चों में कि बॉय एंड गर्ल का फ़र्क रखा जाता है, उसके लिए भी लॉज बनाए गए हैं. जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन लिमिट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर वुमेन इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज एंड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में भेदभाव अक्सर लेडीज़ के साथ होता है. इवन एट वर्क वुमेन आर डिसएडवांटेजेस एज देयर कैपेबिलिटीज आर ऑफन अंडरमाइंड. इवन इन मूवीज men are paid more than the female artists. This is gender discrimination. Equal pay for equal work is still a distant day. अभी भी इतने सालों बाद भी इक्वल काम के लिए लेडीज़ को और जेंट्स को अलग अलग पे मिलती है. इवन लेबर क्लास में भी लेडीज़ को जेंट्स के बराबर नहीं मिलती, जबकि हमने बिल्डिंग बनते हुए देखा है कि ज़्यादा काम लेडीज़ ही कर रही होती हैं. जेंट्स सिर्फ खड़े होके कोई सैंड या कोई सीमेंट डाल रहे होते हैं और लेडीज़ ऊपर तक सामान लेके जा रही होती हैं, बट दे आर नॉट पेड वेल. Now several women have able to overcome their barriers and achieve success because provisions are made for free education, equal inheritance, fixing of marriageable age, anti-dowry cases laws have been brought, and so presence of women in important posts in different posts in politics and public offices is noticeable. Child labor. Other problem is the children before 15 years are working as laborers. Millions of Indians suffer from poverty, so their condition is so bad that they compel their small children to work in factories or in domestic works, and lack of food and inadequate nutrition hinder mental and physical development. जब इतने छोटे बच्चे काम करने शुरू हो जाते हैं तो उनकी जो ग्रोथ है वो रुक जाती है, ना तो उनको पूरा खाना मिलता है और काम उनको बहुत ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है. These children do not go to school and are made to work in factories in hazardous conditions, जहाँ पे जहरीला पॉइजनस जो स्मोक है वो इनकी हेल्थ को ख़राब कर देता है और उम्र से पहले ही ये मर जाते हैं, क्योंकि इतनी छोटी एज में ही इनको डेंजरस बीमारियाँ लग जाती हैं. तो हमारी जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है दैट प्रोहिबिट्स चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 14 ईयर्स. अगर कोई किसी को इस एज से कम जॉब देता है तो उसको पनिशमेंट मिलती है. और सेवरल डेवलपमेंट स्कीम्स बच्चों के लिए चलाई गई हैं, हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ दी गई हैं फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन ऑफ आवर नेशन. सबसे बड़ी नेक्स्ट जो प्रॉब्लम है हमारी सोसाइटी में दैट इज़ कास्ट सिस्टम. द कास्ट सिस्टम वाज अ सिस्टम वेयर ए मेंबर्स ऑक्यूपेशन एंड सोशल पोजीशन वर डिसाइडेड बाय बर्थ. अगर फादर कारपेंटर है तो बच्चा भी कारपेंटर बनेगा, अगर फादर कोई गोल्ड का काम कर रहा है तो बच्चा भी. मतलब पहले तो इसको सिर्फ इसलिए बनाया गया था ताकि सोसाइटी में सारे कुछ ना कुछ काम करते नहीं, पर धीरे धीरे ये फैमिली में आ गया कि फादर का जो कास्ट है बेटे का भी वही होगा. तो इससे क्या हुआ, द ग्रुप्स बेस्ड ऑन ऑक्यूपेशन होने से पहले तो डिवीज़न ऑफ लेबर के लिए किया गया था, पर उसने हमारे सोसाइटी को बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे ले आए. बिकॉज द लेटर रिजिडिटी केम इनटू आवर कास्ट सिस्टम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर क्रिएटिंग इनइक्वालिटी. तो इनइक्वालिटी इतनी ज़्यादा होने लगी कि कुछ लोगों को लोअर कास्ट कहना शुरू कर दिया और जो अपर कास्ट थे वो उन पर एट्रोसिटीज़ करने लगे, उनको तंग करने लगे. And people born into the lower caste were unable to come out of the professions and status they are born in. The system prevented any kind of social interaction and became oppressive and decisive. Untouchability एक और problem है. तो there are different provisions in our constitution. If such type of problems are happen in the society, under different article there is punishment if somebody say untouchable to anybody और female के साथ कोई discrimination करता है. Many welfare programs have been initiated to uplift this section and promote their integration with the rest of the society. Thank you so much. Revise the chapter and try to solve multiple choice questions, match the following and C question, short type question answer. Thank you so much.